Hello everyone, welcome to Hands-on Medical Coding Tutorial, Session 12, medicalcodecenter.com CPT Book User Guide. So if you are following along with this series of tutorial, you probably noticed that I have changed the title of the tutorial slightly. Before it's Hands-on ICD-10 Coding Tutorial, now it's Hands-on Medical Coding Tutorial. So since in this session and next few sessions, we will go beyond ICD-10. So in this session, we will talk about CPT, and next session we will do HCPS code and also DRG code. First, an overview of session 12. In this session, we will go through the following topics. First, how to search CPT and how to browse CPT book, and then CCI edits check, and also how to search RVU, and finally CPT for modifiers. So first, we'll go through how to search CPT using the online book. So we can either search the CPT by keyword or by the CPT code. So let's go to the online book here. So we can go to the CPT menu, and then under CPT we have the first item is CPT, search CPT for. Okay, so first example we will do chest X-ray 2 views. So after you type in the keyword, you immediately see the code 71046. So that's the code for radiologic examination chest 2 view. If you click this detail sign here, it will show more details for this code. Here we have first four kinds of description about this code: short description and a medium description, also consumer-friendly description, and finally the clinician description. Those are four variants of the description of this same code. And next we will see the RVU, which stands for relative value unit. We will go through this in a little bit detail later on. And also MUE. So that's the maximum number of units you can bill for the same patient, same data service, same physician. So RVU is basically how much the doctor get paid, how much the provider get paid for the service. So second example, we will search for debrided nail. So we see two code related to this keyword debrided nail. So you can click show code details. That will expand both of them. It's like clicking this both of the details for both code. Here again you see four variants of the description. Short is just debrided nail, and the medium description is debridement nail, any method 1 to 5. And consumer friendly description is removal of tissue from 1 to 5 fingers or toe nails. And the clinician description is debridement of nail or debridement of 1 to 5 nails. So those are sort of four variants of the description. And then you have RVU and also MUE, medical unlikely edits. So you can also search for the code directly, say like code 71048. Here you can see this is chest X-ray 4 or more views. Again, you see the four variants of the code description and RVU and MUE. So basically this search page will give you all the information you need for one CPT. So the results, as we said, we have four variants, and also we have RVU and MUE. So MUE is medical unlikely edits. So basically that's the maximum number of units you can bill for the same date of service, same physician, and same patient. So we just covered the search CPT. Next, browse CPT. Let's go right back into it. So you can go to the CPT menu here, go to browse CPT. So as you can see here, the CPT is first listed by the type of CPT. So first, anesthesia procedure and a surgical procedure. There's a range corresponding to that, and also radiology procedure, and pathology and the lab test, and finally the medicine service and procedure and the procedures. So for each type of code, you can drill down. Let's say like a surgical procedure, you can drill down, and then the first level is actually listed by the body systems. So for example, 10040 to 19499, that's surgical procedure on the integumentary system. That's the skin. So if you drill down more, then you can see more details, and then you can find code in this way. So again, if you are tired of expanding each node, you can just click the button here, show chart nodes codes. That will expand everything here. So everything expanded. You can go search for it. So I click again, you can hide it, go back to the original page. So first of all, let's find out the code 71046, which is chest X-ray 2 views. So it's 71, should be in this range here. Chest X-ray here. So this is the code we searched for here. It's chest X-ray 2 views. Again, you can see these 4 variants of the description, and then you see RVU and also MUE. So you can use this browse CPT functionality to search for the code you want. So let's go back to the table of contents. Another code, another example, 19101. This is biopsy of breast. So let's search for that code in this page. So it's 19101, which should be this code here. 19 here, so it's the surgical procedure on the breast. So the code is 19101. So it should be this here, 19101. Biopsy of breast, open incisional. So again, you can click this detail button here to show all the details about this code. So this has all the different ways to describe this code, and also RVU and MUE. So next, we will talk about how to do the CCI edits search, or CCI edits check. So CCI edits stand for National Correct Code Initiatives. So it's called NCCI, or just the CCI for short. So let's go through a few examples for this CCI edits. So you go to the CPT menu here, and then click the CCI edits check. So as you can see, we have 2 options here. So the first option is for physician practice, and the second option is for outpatient hospital. So the first example we want to go through is 11720 and 11721. So say if we build this two code here, and then we do the CCI edit check, and then this will say it's not allowed because it has a flag 0 here. So only one CPT can be built. So that means these two codes cannot be built together. So because 1721, that's the debridement of nails 6 or more, and then 11720 is debridement of nails any method 1 to 5. So you can either do 1 to 5 or 6 or more. So you cannot do both. So they are mutually exclusive. So that's why in this case you can build, in any case you can only build one of the code. There's no way you can build two of them even though you add any modifier. So let's do another example here. So 14000 and then 12001. Here in this case 14000, that's adjacent tissue transfer or arrangement chunk. And then 12001, that's a simple repair of superficial wounds of a scalp. In this case, 14000 is a comprehensive code. And then this comprehensive code will include 12001 simple repair, because if you do the tissue transfer, you have to do repair of the wound. So in other words, 12001 is bundled into the code 14000. So usually you can build one of the two code, but in this case the flag is 1. That means if you add some modifiers like 59, then you can build both. So this is a second example where you have flag 1 and then one CPT is more comprehensive and the other CPT is a component of the more comprehensive CPT. So in other words, the minor CPT is bundled into the major CPT here. So usually you build only once. So finally we give another example, 43100 to 43101. So click the check here. So we have a similar case here. So 43100, the excision of a lesion is of I don't know how to pronounce this, with primary repair, and then the other code is 43101, excision of lesion esophagus with primary repair. So this is thoracic or abdominal approach. The first one, 43100, that's a cervical approach. So in this case, those two codes are two ways of doing the same thing. So usually you only choose one way. There's, they are actually mutually exclusive. So again, the flag is 1. That means if you add a modifier, then you can build both code, but usually you just build one code. So that's the final example for the CCI edit check. So let's go back to the slide. So yeah, we've talked about this two cases. One case is the one code is more comprehensive. The other code is a component of the comprehensive code. So in this case, you usually build the comprehensive code. The other case is the two codes are mutually exclusive. So you can only do one of the code usually. So finally, the next we will talk about the search RVU. RVU stands for relative value units. So in this case, I will give you what RVU means. So for example, we have ENM service for office or for outpatient visit. So if it's new patient, the code is from 99201, the lower one code, to 99205. So this is a new patient, and then if it's established patient, the code is from 99211 to 99215. So the value for the new patient, first, the value for the new patient visit is higher than the established patient for the same level. Say, for example, for level 5, new patient, the RVU is 3.17, and for the established patient, 99215, that's 2.11. So that means the code for new patient is has more value, which means in this case the service has more reimbursement, more money for the provider. Also, the from level 1 to level 5, the RVU is increasing gradually. So the level 1 service is less work, and then the RVU is less. So let's go to the book here. So you go to CPT and then you search RVU. Okay, so how we get those values? So say for example 99205, that's the code for the outpatient visit for the new patient. In this case, the as we said, the RVU is 3.17. So if you do 99215, which is for the established patient, the RVU is 2.11, which is less than the new patient. So that's for RVU here. And finally, we just want to mention the CPT modifiers. So let's go back to the online book here, CPT here, CPT modifier. This will list all the CPT modifiers. So I just want to mention a few for the common ones. Say, for example, 59. So that's very commonly used is for distinctive procedural service. So as we said, if one code is bundled into another, major CPT code, the if you still want to build a two code in the minor code, the component code, you use the code modifier 59 to say, okay, we really did the two CPT code, even though those two CPT codes are bundled together. Another one is 25 modifier. Significant separately identifiable evaluation and management service by the same physician on the same day of service. So if you build the CPT code, same CPT code, E&M CPT code, you have to use the 25. So the other part is the F1 through FA. That's for the specified atomic side, like the which digits of the hand. And also similarly, we have T1 actually to TA, that's for the toe. And also the other one, commonly used one, is LT and RT. LT is for the left side and RT for the right side. So again, so all the functionality for CPT is under the manual CPT here. So you can do a search, browse, or do a CC edit check. This is very convenient. So that will conclude our session for CPT user manual. Thank you very much for watching.